Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce you to the Exhibitor briefing, and the content that we are going to be talking about today are transportation and venue guideline, construction guideline and safety compliance, and BITEC online order. As you can see on the screen now is the transportation guide. As you can see, the exits and entrance that you can use to come in and out BITEC. And here is the event hall and food and beverage that located in our area. Here are the convenience store that we have downstairs at the B1 floor. Moving on to the next, construction guide and safety compliance. If you do have the exhibition, you must submit the booth design to the organizer in BITEC to get the approval. And in the concourse area, the height of the regular booth and construction, including decoration, must not exceed 2.5 meters. And next, about the floor load. The floor loads in each area are different. If you do have the matching, and if it's being displayed or demonstrated, exceeds the minimum weight limit, the constructor and exhibitor must place a steel plate under the matching or its leg to ensure that the weight after calculation fall within the weight that we approved. An exhibitor must submit the details of the matching to the official freight forwarder and BITEC to review at least 14 days before the move-in period. And if you do have a matching with 2 levels, it is required to submit the perspective or matching details with the permission from an engineer, a professional engineer or associate engineer, to the official freight forwarder and BITEC for review no later than 14 days before move-in period. Next one is about the hanging regulation. If you would like to hang any banner or light and sound equipment, make sure you send the floor plan that you'd like to hang to BITEC to approve it, so we can calculate the weight and make sure that our main beams can support that. And you must submit 14 days before moving in periods as well. And on the event day, if you wish to access our catwalk, make sure your contractor is wearing a safety outfit, including harness and helmet. And before you access the catwalk, you must inform the organizer, and organizer must inform BITEC. And if you do have the truss with the structure, which must be approved by engineer, a professional engineer or associate engineer, and include ringing plot and grand total weight, must be submitted to the organizer and BITEC to review no longer than 14 days before moving day. On to the next, about the damage on the floor. To prevent the damage to the floor, it's necessary to surround booths and structure and decoration with the rugs or carpet. And also make sure that you use the right type of tape so it doesn't damage the floor. Next is about the safety concern. Please make sure that you do not put anything in front of the exit door. Please do not block it. And any booths that located near our partition, wall, or emergency exit door are not permitted to have any item placed behind them due to the possibility of the damage. Here are the equipment and material that we are not allowed to be used in our area. These are material that exhibitor and contractor is responsible to take it away when the event is finished. And here are the rules about the flammable gas or substance to be used in BITEC. Please read this detail carefully because there is a lot of rule and regulation on this. There are a certain type of gas that we're not allowed, and there are some certain type of gas that we are allowed to be used. So please pay attention to this carefully. Next one, if you want to bring the vehicle to display in BITEC, here are the rules about the fuel in the tank and battery. And this is the regulation and basic rule for contractor and exhibitor that will move in and do any installation for booths or any decoration, for example. If you want to work overtime, there will be a charging fee for extra working hours. Please contact the organizer so organizer can contact BITEC. Next one, if you want to bring in a laser or X-ray or radioactive materials, you must read these 2 pages carefully. There are a lot of detail and rules to it. Make sure you understand, or if not, you can contact us. During the move in and move out day, we are not allowed children or animal to be in the area due to our safety concern. And we do have strict concern about smoking and drinking alcohol in the area. We are not allowed to do so in the area. For food, health, hygiene, and safety regulation, the cooking area must have tent and a floor protection, should be a carpet or a rug. Also, the ice basket must be in good shape and not leaking. And make sure that you clean the cooking area after you use it every single day. Next topic, the loading bay. Here are the pillar number of your parking lot. You can manage it on your moved in and moved out day to use it. And we do have parking fee in this area. Depends on the vehicle that you're using. Please check the price on this page. And here are the routes guidelines to go to each area within our BITEC. For our indoor parking regulation, if you get the rate card, it will be free for 30 minutes, and then after that will be charged 20 baht per hour. The navy blue one is free for the first 3 hours and then will be charged 20 baht after as well. The light blue card is free for the first 30 minutes and then 30 baht after that. For a motorcycle, you will get 30 minutes free and then 10 baht after that. On to the next BITEC online order. You can visit our website and then order your products and services from there. It is quite an easy process. You can put in a basket and make a payment from there. And that's everything from BITEC. Thank you.